So you may have already heard the news. Lil Pump was arrested today after police were called to his housing compound due to shots being heard. Upon arrival, Lil Pump said he saw 3 goons trying to run up in his crib, so he had to bring the Draco out like Big Soldier. But after getting a search warrant, police arrested Lil Pump because as a minor he was around a handgun, along with a shit ton of the holy herb. But just minutes ago, Lil Pump was released from the juvenile detention center and he decided to address the situation immediately by dropping a short freestyle saying he's got one of the best lawyers on the planet, and he's about to pop 2 Xannies. But the word on the street is that he is placed on house arrest, but we do not know for how long. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe for more, because your boy Alfred will keep you updated.